everyone, this is Kiki from Dongguan Yinuo. We are the direct factory that can help you custom and manufacturing different types of metal zippers, resin zippers, and nylon zippers. Here, I will show you our new designs today. We all know that the traditional resin zippers are just like this on my hand. And today we have a new design for the very beautiful with the alphabet resin zippers. You can see, you can combine the traditional resin zippers and with the new design, you can also use the new designs. For the resin zippers. It is very smooth, beautiful, and good quality. You can custom the size, custom the length, and also the teeth color, the tape color, the puller, anything, any requirement, please contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.